Manipur International Textile Expo 2025 kicked off today after a gap of 2 years with much expectations and hope for weavers and artisans in the state, which is just recovering from a devastating violent conflict. SKTV chief reporter Ketrimeum Premchand and video journalist Hodam Niluchandra brings you a special report. Let's take a look.
Manipur International Textile Expo is set to make a return after 2 years gap. The expo, which serves as a big platform for weavers and artisans in the state, has brought hope to people of Manipur, which is slowly limping towards normalcy after a conflict that broke out in May 2023. The conflict has totally broke the livelihood of various weavers and artisans in the state, thereby causing a big distress to them in the past 2 years. But the expo has brought hope to them as it provides a market for them to 16 buyers from both India and other countries.
Shon thar la yang yak go Ukhur district de koi earring su yawe phanek su bag su yawe minu bagi bag su go aduga no bigi phanek su phi su yawe aduga no bagi waistcoat su yawe ngai no necktie su yawe atum yam ngai ba adu excited su yam do ye koi gi phanek gi tum show do bugi ko do yam
ngai mai shin ma je sai u ba traditional mayam sumai mayan yan yam jai
aigi ming ampula duidang hoi kawe ekhoina kamjong district gine ekhoina cluster ni represent tawne phungyer ga kamjong ko aduga ekhoi gi product sing se noina su yengbio traditional tawraga aduga motif adu lauraga ekhoina diversify chu tawbibne aduga ekhoina beads chu collection tawe nahoina Manitex ta lakraga yeng bio haina haininge aduga ekoi viewers na shaba phine aduga nahoina shu promote to bio haininge
entrepreneur wajariba akoi dadi mela de yom basina kudong cha bachi hele case to khudak ta phangaga yon jabanina akoi gi profit am logjate aduga kitang tokjaraga dum yonjai dai ta na yon basu dum yagjai adu akoi na discount piraga dum yon jabani mayam lenbira o mel kuthida ngasi dagi horiba Manitex mela asida mayam lenbira o haina posu phaja ba ai gi dana tana atopa stonda makhal kaya gi pot amasu phangi
kuida goje matha kan to dun lan gi kai to bo hang wakhan tension na lai naru re ko hang khoi jo mind relax to thokwa ma bi phauji.
Oh, it's very beautiful. We're getting so many different patterns and places from entire Manipur state. It's been very interesting to see everything. We're just going back to a shop to buy something we liked also.
Have you bought something from here?
We're just going to go back to buy. We bought some small toys and crafts for the kids. We're going to go to buy a fennec and a fee now.
So Any feedback about the expo?
No, it's very nice, very well organized, so clean. So very happy to visit this place today.
Director of Handloom and Textile Elangbam Jiten has expressed confidence that this year's edition of Manitex will be bigger and significant in terms of product availability and markets. He has expressed high expectation from Manitex 2025.
Then inapi haragi inapi stall gi khaktagi de khoi GI gi wangkhai phi haraga GI khaktagi oiba then safi lampi gi na safi lampi group aduga handicraft gi kamuju kauna bamboo na bamboo khoi dolin toy gi saru swai to na khoi na khaido oganda khoi na block chemi kai no bu kana uma buyer mana kana uma madu yengba laiba kampu sing na exporter sing asina yengma matamda punna puni yengjardi makoi da chu madu gi tongan ba interest ma khak feel tawani haibagi tongan ba dumaka hataki khoi seida introduce tawjai aduga loina akoina yengba du chhe yengba matamda mapan lebak tagi la kanda akoina khoi hanagi some tradition motif ta tin khalaga hetar kanu saba stall saba khopagi masigi heavy si tawbusina marum orakanda akoida yengba mipung primaki miyengda ek phajadaba ek nungaitaba akoi chamot kitang mong marin tadaba du kesal laga ju ya yadaba adumba khara uba phangbanina hanigi koina well setup torba aina Delhi da kaiga national handloom expo to matam da sinaba pochai jinga se jaraga di koi swada introduce to ba hawrakanda tangai putana akoi lamdam chal leriba singnasu sumaina display to ba sumaina table piba sumaina rack piba sumaina koi table lama chair piba aduga akoi gi leriba pochinga si displaying area ga si ajitang hoina systematically ajitang develop to ge habagi adumba khudam changdam amakak haribo hadaki sta akoi utpangame haiba sini aina mayam hana digi kitang tongan haiba taragadi
Organizing Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2025 after a gap of 2 years has given significant opportunities to the people of Manipur, especially the weavers and the artisans of the state. The buyers from different states of India and also from outside the country will also take part in this expo, and it is believed that that will give a huge opportunity, especially to the weavers and artisans of the state. The most beautiful part of the expo is that the participations of different communities across the state is showcasing the traditional weaving products, and this shows the rich diversity of the state and also cultural beauty of the state. With video journalist Nilachandra, this is SKTV Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Arvan Hut, Nilakote.